Recording na ako. Na-excite ako. Ano kaya? Inspired by historical events and characters, this work of fiction was designed. Ay, wow. Ang laki ng in-upgrade nila sa loading screen, ah. Hindi naman tanga. Ay, naiwan na pala ako. Hindi ko na-activate. Babe, laruin mo tabi ba? Pag hindi mo ito nilaro, sabi ko sa'yo. Walang maglalaro talaga. Ay, wow. Para ako naglalaro ng Xbox. James Cameron Avatar.
Who's James Cameron?
Ewan ko. Exclusive content ko eh. Check natin. Ah! Ano to?
Ako din.
Halatan 2010, no?
Avatar?
Avatar na game. Game yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong Avatar na game to. Ay, na game oh. Sobrang 2000 na 2010 yung galawan. Okay. Ang first name ko sa EC1 first, yun yung save file name eh, first. So dito first rin. First two. First din ako sa EC din eh.
My name is Desmond Miles.
Oh my
I'm
God!
a prisoner of war. A war I never knew existed. Waged by two groups I never thought were real. Templars and Assassins.
Santa year, oh.
The Animus showed me the truth. The things I've seen, the things I've been. 1,000 years of history flowing through my veins, brought to life by this machine. They're using it. Using me to search for something. Call it the Apple. It's an artifact, one of many so-called pieces of Eden. The Templars collect them. It's how they stay in power. And if the Templars get their hands on another one, everything will change. They want to make us all their slaves. When they first brought me here, I was afraid of what would happen if I tried to fight back. Now? Now I'm afraid of what will happen if I don't. But I can't do it alone.
Ito yung ending
Maybe I don't have
ito yung
to.
ending scene sa EC1.
I met
eh.
someone. Her name is Lucy.
Which is ang galing kasi ginawa nila
I think
parang
she's on my
movie.
side.
Like may continuation.
She's gone now. She was taken away by that bastard Warren Vidic and his Templar masters. I don't know what will happen to her.
Yun yung
What will
ending.
happen to me. All I know is I need to get out of here. And I need to do
Ang
it
weird,
soon.
nagre-record ako tapos kausap kita. Wag mo isipin na
My name
nagre-record
is
ako.
Desmond Miles. And this is my story.
Ang ganda kasi... Ano babe?
Dati hindi mo ako pinagkasalita.
Magsalita ka lang.
Ba't dati?
Ha?
Ba't dati ayaw mo magsalita? Manahimik ako.
Kasi di ka pa alam yung feeling yun eh. Pag para sa akin, parang gusto ko i-record to yung game lang. Tapos patanoorin mo parang gano'n. Pero wala na pakialam.
Okay po.
Babe! I-explain ko sa'yo. So, ito yung ending sa AC1. Which is maganda kasi ginawa nila na para movie. Like, sequel to eh. Ito yun, no? Yung pinakita ko sa'yo.
Okay, parang sabi mo yun yung ending.
Open ending. So, now ito na yun. Continue na natin yung story ni Desmond.
We have to go.
Lucy, where have you been? Why did they...
Now.
And iba na ang graphics ko. Holy fuck. Tignan mo yung graphics ha. Tignan mo yung graphics. Ipapakita ko. Ipapakita ko ang graphics niyan sa AC1. Ito yung AC1 no, tignan mo. Ito yung ending. Ay, ito.
Yung record mo kayo na, di ba?
Oh, ayun o. Ibang-iba. Ayun o. Oh, kita mo? Ibang-iba. Ibang-iba siya. Compare dito. Mas naayos na nila. Which is ang ganda. Ang galing nila. Na-improve nila. Yung
Get over here,
controls rin.
Desmond. Get in.
What's with the
Inaano
blood? Are you
volume
okay?
ko.
Look,
Nasisisigaw
we have
ako.
maybe 10 minutes, maybe, before they figure out what I've done. If we're not out of here and on the road before then.
Wait, we're leaving?
Desmond, I promise I'll answer all of your...
Una na kita. Yung AC1, nag-focus yun doon sa Apple of Eden, which is yung weapon sa world something. Hindi siya nag-focus sa buhay ni Desmond. Eto, yung naka-hood. So, wala pang nabibuild na connection sa akin kay Desmond. Kay Altair may nabuild. Kasi si Altair, egoistic yung
Paano
gagawin
yan,
eh.
si Enzo?
Mamaya lalabas ang GOAT. Ang padre de pamilya. Ang nagbuhat ng franchise. So si Altair, may connection ako sa kanya. Kasi egoistic siya, tapos nagbago siya. Ang maganda yung story na Altair. Pero hanggang dun lang. Yung ending niya, open ending. Madami nagsabi, si Ezio, dramatic. 3 part kasi. Siya yung nagkaroon ng 3 part sa game eh. Simula pagkabata, adult, hanggang sa maging matanda na siya. So maraming na-attach. Parang nanonood ka ng pelikula. At ang ganda ng representation nila. Kasi pagkakatanda ko, 2010, wala pang ganun na nangyari sa game. So by far sa natatandaan ko. So, excited na ako.
Questions.
Tapos si Ezio rin ang favorite character ko dito. Kasi tangin lang akas na gumagano'n. Ganun siya.
Later. But right now, I need you to just shut up and do what I say. So please.
Walang subtitle to. Gusto ko ng subtitle. Ayun, may subtitle na rin. Thank you, Lord. Walang subtitle sa AC1.
Get in the Animus.
Ayun na.
Alright.
Ah! May subtitle na ako! Ilabas mo na ang Ezio mo. Ito na. Ito na memory attached na.
Spingi! Spingi! Di nuovo! Sì, sì, brava!
Hey!
Good
Si
boy.
Ezio!
Oh, my love. Mi dispiace. I was at the bank when they told me. Did I miss it? Am I too late?
Holy shit.
Give him here,
Wala akong
Giovanni.
naglaro na game
my love.
na nakita ko yung main character na bata pa lang.
Tu sei un uditore. Sei un combattente. Perciò, combatti.
Oh shit! Interactive nga. Empty hand. Ano yun? Circle? Hindi circle. What the fuck? Tangina. Ano ba kasing controls to? Ah, okay.
Listen to him. A fine set of lungs.
And what shall we call him, my love?
Ito na.
Ezio. Ezio Auditore da Firenze.
Ang nag-iisang bayan na Italy. Alam kaya ng mga taga-Italy na
Let's
ano?
go.
Alam kaya ng mga taga-Italy
Yeah, well, I'm
yung pangalan
gonna
na
need a second.
Ezio.
There isn't time, Desmond. We have to leave.
Ito, fun fact. Nung bata kami, inimagine ko, ano kayang nangyayari? Kasi after ng AC1, wala na kaming alam ni Kiki. Or ako, wala nang alam kung paano tatakbo yung storya. Like, paano sila nakaalis dito sa building na to? And now na nandito na ako, para ako nagpo-fulfill ng mga tanong ko nung bata na, paano ba to mga nakaalis? Kasi yung pinakita ko sa'yo kanina, yung AC3, yung may kabayo, yung maganda ng graphics.
Ay, sabi mo ano?
Nasa cave sila, nasa kuweba. So nagtataka ako, paano sila napunta sa kuweba?
From dyan to Cueva.
Oo, and again, kay Desmond pa rin yun. So parang ka nga nanonood ng pelikula.
1, 2, 3, kid. Ano? Kanya?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yung game para sa karakter na yan. Yung una kay Altair.
Ay, kay Enzo.
Yung tatlo kay Ezio. Tatlo kay Ezio.
Ah, akala ko dyan sa kanya.
Okay, ganito. Si Desmond to. Si Desmond, yung ancestors niya assassin. Yun yung story nito. So, meron device na tinatawag, which is yung an animus. Binabalikan mo yung ancestors mo para mahanap yung Apple of Eden, para ma-prevent yung
So, ancestor niya si Enzo.
ancestor niya si Ezio para si Altair. Si Altair, first game yon, which is yung AC1. Yung AC2 to Revelation kay Ezio, lahat yun. Buhay ni, kumbaga ganito, malalaman mo yung storya ni Desmond at yung storya ng mga ancestors niya. Pero ang alam ko, ang pinakatumatak sa lahat ng tao, yung storya ni Ezio. Kasi siya lang talaga yung meron tatlong part ng laro dito na as in
Pareho
inabangan.
yung ancestor si Altair sa kasi.
Oo, pareho. Different year lang. Different years sila, pero same ancestors lang siya. Hindi ko alam paano nag-work yun, pero yun yung lore niya.
Ang connect sa Altair sa kasi Enzo.
Hindi ata. Kaya hindi ko rin alam paano niya naging ancestor sila Altair eh. Doon din ako nagtataka kung hindi niya kamag-anak.
Oh no?
Dub. Pero yun, masusundan dito yung kwento ni Desmond kung paano, kasi ito, ang Apple of Eden, okay, ganito. May assassin, may Templar. Yung Templar, gustong kuhanin ang Apple of Eden. Ang Apple of Eden, weapon yun. World dominant. Parang ganon. Ang assassin, pine-prevent yun. Yun yung tanda ko sa storya. So, masusundan dito yung kwento ni Desmond kung paano niya ililigtas yung mundo. At masusundan dito yung storya ni Ezio hanggang sa tumanda na siya. So, 5 game yun. 5 game na puro si Desmond yung main character. Tapos, out of the fucking blue, nagkaroon ng Assassin's Creed 4. At, hindi ko na sabihin. Bibiling ko na lang, magugulat ka na sa mangyayari doon. Kumbaga may pelikula nga to.
May in the...
Ano?
Pero, wag ba na nalaro if like alam mo na yung kwento?
Ano? Sorry, nawala ka?
Wala ko rin nalaro if alam mo na yung kwento.
Hindi ko alam yung buong kwento nito. Ang alam ko lang, yung...
Alam mo na yung background.
alam ko lang yung onting background lang nito. Yun lang yun. Kaya ako siya nilalaro. Yun lang.
Okay.
Okay. Tumanga yung game. Tumanga yung game ko. Nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa na makikita mo yung wala man akong pera ngayon. Pero matutour kita sa Grand Canal, Panis. Matutour kita sa Italy. Nice. Tagan. Okay, game. Ano meron? Bakit tumatanga na naman to? Holy shit. What the fuck? Tangina to yung hirap eh. Oh, talaga nag-ayos nga sila. Madami silang in-update. Anak ng putang ina, bumalik na naman ako sa umpisa. Hindi ko pa ito
We have to go.
Lucy, where have you been? Why did they...
Now.
Ano ba yan? Umulit na naman.
Get in.
What's with the blood? Are you okay?
Look, we have maybe 10 minutes. Maybe. Before they figure out what I've done. If we're not out of here and on the road before then.
Wait, we're leaving?
Desmond, I promise I'll answer all of your questions. Later. But right now, I need you to just shut up and do what I say. So please, get in the Animus.
All right.
Kung magiging history teacher ako, pipiliin ko na yung mga reference ko Assassin's Creed.
Oh.
Alam mo ba, ang daming memes sa Italy. Marami pumunta sa Italy dahil na sila ron to.
Talaga?
Para lang mapili na sila si Ezio. Tapos tutugtog yung main team ni Ezio.
Dito po na tayo nun magkawalaan.
Kagayon na kami po. Oh, pwede ko ba itong skip?
Fingi! Fingi! Di nuovo!
By the way, si Ezio pala parang Leon to ah.
Sì, brava!
Charismatic, humor. Feeling ko magugustuhan mo to eh.
Oh, Dizzy boy!
Oh, my love. Mi dispiace.
Tapos
I was at the
Italiano.
bank when they told me.
Sobrang...
Did I miss it? Am I too late?
ina.
Give him here.
Giovanni!
Shh, my love. It will be all right. Tu sei un uditore. Sei un combattente.
Legit, kailangan mong mahalin ito sabi ko sa'yo para
Combatti.
maramdaman mo yung
Wait lang.
game.
Listen to him. A fine set of lungs.
And what shall we call him, my love?
Ezio. Ezio Auditore da Firenze.
Sige na. Lagi. Naalala ko, inano mo yan. Dati nag-iisip tayo ng pangalan para kay FB. Okay.
Ezio.
Sabi mo yun, Gio. Sabi mo yun, pero hindi ko pala get
Get up.
Let's go. Bakit?
Kailangan,
Yeah,
ito,
well,
I
sabi ko
really
sa'yo
need to
ngayon pa
There
lang,
is a
ah.
time,
Alala mo ba
Desmond. We have to leave.
Oo, pamilyar, naalala ko. Sabi ko sa'yo ngayon pa lang to, kailangan mo mahalin yung laro to para maramdaman mo yung lungkot at saya. Oh my gosh! Ito na yung mga sagot sa mga
Really getting out
katanungan
of here,
ko.
huh?
May kabuhas talaga
Sturgo's
tong
got some
voice.
fucked up
voice
interior
na to.
decorators.
Stay close.
Hey! You're not supposed to be up here! Open this door! I'm calling it in!
We have a breach in the research wing. I repeat, there's been a breach in the research wing.
Nice walls. Fancy. Why, these...
There they are! Don't let them get away!
Ikaw na naman yan, ikaw na naman yan.
Holy shit!
Ay!
Look at this place.
Ah, okay.
What about
Pinapakita
the
ko lang yung
cameras?
moves ko.
I rigged them to loop old footage. How do you think I managed to hide all your nighttime snooping from Abstergo?
You're good.
So I've been told. But they're on to us now. We need to hurry.
Ang pangit ni Desmond, mukha siyang ano, alien ang putik.
Careful. We need to get to that elevator on the other side of the room. Follow my lead, but keep an eye out for security. I'd rather avoid a fight.
Paano?
Is that an animus?
Stay close.
What the?
Ito, para sa ito.
How many of them are there?
Stay with me.
Is it animuses or animi? What do you think, Lucy? Lucy, what do they need with all of them?
Desmond, shut the fuck up. Please.
Parang ikaw lang, oh. Minumura ako. Hey, shut the fuck up, babe.
Fuck. I thought this card would work. It must be on a separate system, and I don't have the code.
Wait. Shit. Come on.
How did you do that?
I don't know.
Let's go. It's always something.
What was that in the Animus? Subject 16? Ezio, Audi something?
I think we've
Ikaw
been
rin,
wrong
parang
all
yan eh.
along. That's why we need to get out of here. Vidic and the Templars, they're only part of the problem.
What do you mean?
I'll explain when we get there.
Get where?
Ito na, mas malalim na yung lore. Oh shit. What the fuck?
Kung parang ganyan din.
Wala akong, hindi ko alam anong controls ko. Anong ginawa ko?
Pinamedyoan mo ng bib.
Pinedyohan ko lang eh. Hindi ko alam. Wala akong controls.
Ano yung gagawin? Ito, wala.
Hindi ko... Ah! Tangina, ang pangit ng controls ko. Ang bobo ko sa controls.
Get in.
You're joking.
It's for your own protection.
Oh, man.
We're almost there.
Kailangan ko maghanap ng magandang configuration sa Steam. Kung hindi, bobo ako dito. Ganito pala feeling pag nasa trunk ka. Cozy. Pero di ko hinihiling.
It's a weird
Thanks
thing
for
to
that.
say.
It was great. Shoving the trunk, bouncing around. Loved
This way.
So, gonna tell me what's going on now?
There was a reason for the escape, Desmond.
Figures.
We need your help.
For what? Another treasure hunt through time?
Abstergo's gonna replace their Apple of Eden. The map your ancestor found guarantees it.
Ano to?
The other assassins, they'll do what they can, where they can, but
What? What is it?
we're losing this war, Desmond. The Templars are too powerful. And
Ayun na,
every day,
na-explain na.
more of us die.
I still don't see how I fit into things.
We're going to train you. Turn you into one of us.
What? No. No, you've seen me in action. I'm no good at this, and even if I was, it would take months. Years even.
No, not with the Animus.
Ngayon lang ako
Not
nag-explore
with
ng
the
ganito.
bleeding effect.
Basta ni kasama mo.
But I'm just one guy.
Sometimes, that's all you need.
Pwede pa tayong alam mo yun, pumunta sa Italy. May tour ako dun, no?
So that's why you found him. My ancestor. What was his name? Ezio?
If you can follow in his footsteps, you'll learn everything he did, just like he did. Years of training, absorbed in a matter of days.
You broke me out of Abstergo and brought me here just to make me an assassin?
Look, there's more to it than that, but it'll have to wait. Trust me, okay?
All right, I'm in. Tell me what you need.
Really? You're sure?
I thought you'd be happy about this.
Sorry, I'm just a little surprised. I spent the whole ride over here figuring out how I was gonna convince you to do this.
Save it. After what those Templar bastards put me through, I'm ready, willing, and able.
Thank you.
Blondie kasi.
Lucy! You made it! God, it's been so long. 7 years, can you believe it?
Indeed. Welcome back. Ah, so this must be the infamous Subject 17. Desmond Miles, was it?
Who are you?
I'm sorry, where are my manners? I'm Sean Hastings. This is Rebecca Crane.
Nice to meet you, Desmond.
Right, well, it's been lovely chatting, but if you don't mind, Desmond, it's best we get straight to work. Time is precious. Doubly so these days.
We've got everything set up and ready, Lucy. Just say the word and we'll get going.
Here, I brought you something. A parting gift from Abstergo.
Whoa! The memory core! This is amazing. With their data, things are gonna go a lot faster. I'll get to work on merging the code.
Ang weird makita nung ganito. Kasi sa AC1, wala ka talaga mabibuild na connection sa mga side character, sa character mismo. Tapos ngayon biglang ganito. Ang laki ng jump.
Hey, Desmond. What's up?
Just wondering what your role is in all this.
I take care of Baby. It's my job to keep her up and running.
Baby? You mean the Animus?
Actually, I prefer Animus 2.0, since Baby's twice as awesome as anything you'll find at Abstergo. The Templars might have deeper pockets than us, but they've got no ambition, no passion, no competitive edge. That's why, even with all their resources, anything they can do, I can do better. Faster, too. Anyway, take a seat when you're ready, and we can get started. I just need to make a few more adjustments.
What's all this stuff for?
This stuff, Desmond. Oh, this stuff is nothing special, really, this stuff. It's just the stuff that keeps our entire operation from falling apart, really. It requires a great deal of concentration to keep it all moving, so you'll forgive me if I don't have time to play meet and greet.
Sean's in charge of maintaining our knowledge archives. It's like a digital library. He'll be riding shotgun with me while you're in the Animus. So if you come across anything of note, people, places, events, etc., he'll create database entries you can consult for additional information.
Yeah, it's not just databases, though. I also provide tactical support for the other assassins. You know, Desmond, the ones who are out there, actually doing stuff, risking their lives, little things like that.
Kaya kasi, sabi sa ba't di ka pa order ngayon sa McDo ng 300? 300? Bibig ko sa 300, dalawang kakain. Nanangirip ba to?
Hey, listen. I just wanted to say thank you. And that I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, you know, before. Everything at Abstergo. It was just... I wasn't ready.
It's okay.
No. Going through all that. Knowing that the Templars still
Sabi mo,
exist,
ikaw
what
si
they're
Lucy.
planning.
What's done is done, Desmond. You're here now,
Ah.
and that's what matters.
Ikaw si Lucy. Si Lucy Gray. Pwede na ba ako pumunta sa
kailan?
ano? Babe, take
Lucy
back
Gray,
mo na
bye-bye.
yan. Take back mo na daw. Take
Take
back
back
mo na
mo
daw.
na.
Ito na, babe, ito na. Upo na ako. Uupo na ako.
So, how does this work? Of course.
Deep breath.
Oh,
Oh, what are you, a tiny child?
Sean!
Well,
ang weird,
Here we
diba?
go.
Ang weird. Naninibago ako. What? Ang laki ng pinagbago ng game. Babe, welcome to Italy. Itutour na kita. Ako tour guide mo. Repubblica Fiorentina, 1476. Itutour kita, ako bahala sa'yo. Hindi ka maliligo sa Grand Venice ko. Ang laki na pinagkaiba ng game. What the fuck? Holy shit! Ito na! Ito na! Ito na ang GOAT! Ito na siya! Ang nagbuhat na franchise ko.
Insieme per la vittoria! Insieme! Silenzio, my friends! Silenzio! Grazie.
Putang ina mo, Ezio.
Do you know what brings us here?
Akala ko joke time lang ng Reddit, pero putang ina, lasa yan ng karisa pala talaga niya. Ba't ka nakangiti?
Tonight, honor. Viere de Pazzi slanders my family's name and forces his own miseries upon us. If we...
Enough of your nonsense, Grullo!
Ay, putang ina mo.
Buonasera, Viere. We were just talking about you. I'm surprised to see
Ang lakas
you
ng dating
here.
niya, no?
I thought the Pazzi hired others to do their dirty work.
It's your family that cries for guards when there's trouble, Gottardo. Afraid to handle things yourself?
Your sister seemed quite satisfied with the handling I gave her earlier.
Uccidetelo!
So doon yung nakuha yung scar niya sa bibig. Alam mo, sabi ko sa'yo, sabi ng Reddit, sabi ng fanbase, sabi ng YouTube comments, Assassin's Creed 2, up to this day, siya ang nag-hold ng pinakamagandang storyline. And hindi ako naniniwala at first. Not until nakita ko si Ezio Auditore.
Wow.
Okay, game. Paano ako suntukan? Ayun. Game. Ay, wow! Babe, susuntukan na, babe! Babe, ako ganda magsuntukan, no? Ano?
Umiigal talaga.
Ikaw, tanga na, nakatingin ka sa akin, no? Dadamay ko to. Hindi pala pwede. Ezio, kalma! Ayun yung kalaban! Ezio! Strafe? What? Hindi na mo, kukwelyohan ko. Ano? Kukwelyohan kita. Pero, kukwelyohan ko. Ano? Tangina mo? Ano?
Hey! Behind you!
Federico! What are you doing here?
I wanted to see if baby brother had finally learned how to fight.
And?
You have style. But endurance is what counts. Let's see how many of them you can ruin before they get the best of you.
Oh shit, gago, dami. Isang batalyon, babe. Gulat ako dun ah. Sayaw sa magulang ko? Sayaw sa pamilya ko? Oh, bobo ka? Saka pa eh. Kalbo ka. Kulit mo ah. Sayaw mo sa pamilya ko? Sayaw mo sa pamilya ko? Ganun ka, dyan ka. Malunod ka.
Okay.
Sayaw mo sa nanay ko? Sayaw mo sa nanay ko? Ha? Sa nanay ko? Sa nanay ko? Kung inaway ko ang tropa ko, ano? Haway mo tropa ko? Sige. Hawain kita. Tangina mo. Ah! Tangina mo.
Fall back! Fall back!
Nag-improve yung controls.
Hold on.
Mas masaya na yung controls
Follows won this.
kumpara sa unang game.
Just a scratch.
Let the doctor decide.
It's not necessary. Besides, I've no money for this doctor of yours.
Wasted it on women and wine, huh?
I'd hardly call it wasted. Lend me some florins then. Or have you done the same?
Search them. There's bound to be something in their pockets.
Ah, so pwede na ako ngayon mag-loot. Sa first game, ang laki ng in-upgrade nila sa game na to.
Bakit?
Yung unang game, Assassin's Creed 1, yung nakikita mo ngayon, ganyan kalinaw, doon, pangit. Yung suntukan, pangit. Hindi ka pwede mag-loot ng pera. Repetitive. Kukuha ka ng kailangan mong gawin to. Next mission, ganun ulit. Repetitive lang. Ang laki ng pinagbago nila dito. So, paano ako maglulot? Ah, okay. Holy shit. Binugbog ko yan. Ganyan ako mambugbog sa totoong buhay. Umiikot-ikot ako. Uy, 100. Babe, feeling ko, yayaman ako pag ginawa ko sa totoong buhay.
Baliw.
Kasi sabi ko, Edgy, wow, this story.
Uy, ano pa? Maya-maya laro na tayo ah. Hindi pa kinakantok.
Ha? Okay.
Pwede later pa.
Ah, okay,
Aral pa
okay.
ako.
Okay. Oh, aral ka ba, babe? Aral ka muna,
Ah,
babe.
bene. That should be enough.
Ano
Let's
ka
get out
muna,
of here
babe?
before the guards arrive.
Oo, mag-aral eh. Boys will be boys. Di ba inaano mo na may malalaki, kailangan makapagsuntukan. Lahat nagdadabog ka. Oo, babe. Binugbog ko nga lahat yan, oh. Ako bumugbog niyan.
Hurry, Ezio. The sooner we're done with the doctor, the sooner we can sleep.
Follow Federico to the doctor. Ayaw nga, ang laki ng in-upgrade nila. Pati yung parkour. Thank you, Lord. Okay. Ay, putang ina mo, sa wakas bumilis na rin yung pagpa-parkour ko. Yung unang game, ano eh. Kala magawa ng demonyo.
Ben trovato, Doctor.
Fratelli Auditori, why am I not surprised? You've made quite a mess of yourself, young man.
It's nothing, really.
You must help him. That pretty face is his only asset.
Fotiti.
Fotiti. Bagong word ko ngayon, babe, sa'yo. Fotiti.
There we are. Now get out of here.
Grazie.
This way.
Ang
Quite a
ganda.
night.
Indeed.
Ang ganda, babe,
I
oh.
only wish they were all as much fun.
Look mo.
Oh, wait. They are.
That's Italy.
Yes po.
Ano yan, babe? Accurate yung
We
mga
should head
labas
Oo.
sa
home,
Italy.
Ezio.
Oh,
Mother's
accurate.
sure to be wondering where we've gone.
Yes.
Like,
I'd
alam
rather
ko,
avoid
may
the
mga
lecture.
every building may
Up for a
lalabas
little
na history.
To where?
Roof of that church.
Sibling win the race against Federico.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Baby brother still has much to learn.
I almost feel bad about this.
Saan simbahan
No
ba?
shame and failure, brother.
Ah, eto. Panalo na ako. Panalo na ako. Panalo na ako.
Come on then, this way.
Where are you going?
You'll see.
Gago, ang ganda. Oh my god, ang ganda ng OST. Sa first game, walang wala eh.
It is a good life we lead, brother.
The best.
Ito
Never
na.
change.
You know.
And may it never change us.
Yun yung OST niya.
All right. Enough of that. We really should head home. Let's go.
Wait.
What? Ezio, let Christina sleep.
There will be time enough for that. Later.
Ah,
Tangina. Ina mo, Ezio. Pay a surprise visit to the beautiful Cristina Vespucci. Vespucci. Tangina mo is... Alam mo, sa totoo lang, may connection na kita kay Ezio. Kaya sabi na nila, makikita mo yung growth niya eh. Ano mo, Ezio? Asa si Cristina? Ganda ng game. Worth it.
So it's Vieri. Better hide.
Keep looking! He couldn't have gotten far!
Kaya mo yan, Ezio, sa pass. Totoo na. Si Amerio! Si Amerio, no! What the fuck? Nakita mo?
Oo.
Pupuntahan ko. Si Amerian! Holy shit! Gumi pang ganda. Oh my god! What the fuck? Nangina, hindi ko alam ano i-react ko. 2010 to. For a 2010 game, sa ngayong taon, it still holds. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Christina! Christina!
Who's there?
Me!
Oh, Ezio. I should have known.
May I come in?
Fine, but only for a minute.
A minute is all I need.
Indeed.
Well, wait. That came out wrong.
Sabi ko sa'yo, may human charisma to, gagon to eh. Tara na, Ezio! Ah! Christina! Ito na, naging ni Ezio ngayon dito.
Come here.
Oh my god, Ezio has, style. Oh my god.
Style mo yan, boss.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ay! Tangina mo yun, lala!
Christina! Christina! Celia! Your tutor will be here soon. Come, my daughter. Is it really so terrible that... Figlio d'un cane! What is this?
Perdonate, messere! Chiedo venia!
I'll kill you!
No, that's not necessary.
Guards! Guards! Voglio la sua testa! Get the bastard!
There's
Well,
really
shit.
no need for violence.
Oh my god! Smooth na rin ang parkour niya! Thank you, Lord!
You have me confused with someone else.
Kaya,
She
kaya?
needed some help.
Yes, kaya!
Some things.
Ang laki ng upgrade!
Mostly innocent.
Wait. Pwede ko ya? Pwede pa rin ba? Ayun, pwede pa rin. Tangina. Yung Assassin's Creed 1, eto yung Assassin's Creed 1, wala kang mabibuild talagang connection kay Altair. Papatay lang si Altair. Siguro kung egoistic ka para si Castro, magugustuhan mo si Altair. Pero other than that, wala siyang charisma. Next sexy Ezio. First na kumakata ng sex scene sa game. Yun ang mga Christina, mamaya ka sa akin, sabi ni Ezio. So saan ako pupunta ngayon? Explore mo natin yung Venice. Or kung ano man lugar to. Alam mo, ma-appreciate mo tong game na to if nalaro mo AC1. Kaya kailangan mo na laruin yun. Pwede na magsuntukan. Gusto kong away eh. Babe, suntukan ako nagamo ng away. Nang wala silang ginagawa. Kasi magnanakaw wala ako ng pera. Siyempre babe, hustler ako eh. Tumira-tira ako sa wala akong breakfast. Wala pa akong pera. Hustling. Ano? Ano titingin mo? Tingnan mo. Ikaw, ano? Tingin mo. Tingin nyo. Auditory ako. Oh. Ikaw. Ki.
I may be expensive, but
Ano
my
to?
goods are worth the extra quattrin.
Blacksmith? What the shit? Walang ganito sa AC1.
Seem rather rustic for my high quality.
Sige, subukan tayo bigla. Tignan nyo
Just last month, the Visconti bought 300 of my finest sabers for his cavalry.
Alam mo, ang swerte mo, babe. Kasi hindi mo pa nalalaro to. Sana nalaro ko to sa first timer ulit. Parang ikaw. Ina-expect ko like stiff ulit eh. Like yung sa Assassin's Creed 1. Turns out it's not so stiff at all. Ayun o. Ayun, babe, oh. Ayun o. May isa gilid mo. May mga lugar. Ayun o. Minsan, pag nakapunta ka talaga ng historic place, lalabas.
Hindi ko lang may kulang ako sa boss.
May?
So may kulang ako. Hindi ko alam.
Saan?
Sa isang subject, chat ko wala.
Good
Tatay
morning,
niya.
Father.
Tatay niya.
Come with me.
Is something wrong?
Do you think me blind and deaf, son? I know all about your fight with Vieri di Pazzi last night, and then this little visit to Christina. Your behavior is unacceptable. It reminds me of myself when I was your age.
Ay, akala ko galit.
I assume these misadventures won't interfere with your work today.
No, padre. Avete la mia parola.
May bala
I've
pang
prepared
maisip
some
iba.
documents.
Mga minions natin naging ganyan.
Ano na?
Isa sa mga minions natin naging in-enjoy ang kabataan.
Ano meron?
Wala, okay na sa'yo.
Oo.
Here for Lorenzo di Medici to review. I need them delivered to him.
With haste, father.
Return to me when it's done.
Yes po, Bob. Delivery Giovanni Serio de Lorenzo de Medici. Medici.
Amici, why not sup with me? I've some of the best.
Ang sarap siguro mag-parkour na. Yep, masarap na nga mag-parkour. Mabilis na eh. Last time kasi hindi eh.
Bilis mo nga nakatakas kanina sa guard.
Oo, sa EC1, tangina, kamatayan dun eh.
Ah, hey! Ben trovato! How are you? Come sempre. I have a letter for Messer Lorenzo.
I'll see that he receives it when he returns.
Returns?
They've gone to Villa Careggi, I'm afraid, and not expected back for at least another day.
I'll let my father know.
Who's that over there? Haven't I seen you before?
On him!
Okay, sutukan oh.
Idol!
Wait, what? Pwede kong gawin ngayon to?
Careful with that load. Stop it! What's the matter with you?
Gagabi bang ganda? Ang ganda nung graphics pati visualization niya. Naiyak ako sa ganda. Na-overwhelm ako. Nakakataba ng puso. Ang ina mong ganda oh. Okay. So hindi ako nag-heal. Unlike sa AC1. Weird.
Shit, babe. Di ko alam kung napasa ng maayos si Castro.
Keep up the good work.
Bischero.
You worry too much, Giovanni. Francesco Di Pazzi is in prison. The threat is ended.
Hello, son. You remember my friend Uber?
Good morning, Gonfaloniere Alberti.
To you as well, young man.
I trust you delivered the message.
Si, padre. But it seems Lorenzo is out of town.
I did not anticipate this.
What does it matter? So you wait another day or two.
Listen, your mother and sister have been looking for you. I'll need you again in a little while, but for now, see if you can't help them.
Are you sure?
Yes, now if you'll excuse us.
Good to see you, Ezio.
Ang pogi ni Ezio, Bim, legit, ang lakas ng dating niya. Hindi ka ba naastigan sa kanya?
Nastigan po.
Okay, so nasa Florence ako ngayon. Florence. Asan yung Florence? Claudia. Ah, ito si Claudia.
Hey, Claudia. How are you?
Bene.
You shouldn't keep things from me.
It's Duccio.
What of him?
I think he's been unfaithful.
Who told you this?
The other girls.
Oh no,
I thought they
Claudia.
were my friends.
Harpies. You're better off without them.
I loved him.
No, Claudia. You only...
Hindi ko alam ba't ako natutuwa sa ano nila. Sa pag-audio nila. Nakakatuwa.
You did.
He should suffer for what he's done.
Wait
Oh no,
here.
Claudia.
I'll go have a word with him.
Hindi ka pa ningay sa akin. Kasi ang kailangan para mapamahal ka sa isang character, kailangan mo isipin ikaw yung character. Huwag mo tawanan. Ako bahala, Claudia.
Bakit natawa ko?
Claudia, ako bahala sa'yo, Claudia. Sa Assassin's Creed 1, hindi mo makikita kung maghahapon o maggagabi. Depende lahat kung nasaan ka. At never siya naggabi. Dito nagiging hapon, no? At saka sa Assassin's Creed 1, never mo nakitang bata si Altair. Nakita mo agad siyang assassin agad. Unlike dito. Totoo ka, no?
There! On him! A little caution, Fred. Lucky they were well-bound old dogs and not pergamento.
Ma che vergogna, ma che vergogna!
Oh, vergogna!
Feeling ko, kung nabuhay ako sa panahon ni Ezio, feeling ko, kaya ko mabuhay eh. Feeling ko, magiging assassin din ako eh. Isipin mo walang baril, kundi espada lang.
Duccio! It's beautiful!
Nothing but the best for you, amore mio.
But what
eto
of
si
Claudia?
Tuccio. Oh my god.
I thought you'd been promised to her.
My father said I could do much better than in Auditore.
Gago, Pip. May mga kamanyakan tong mga to ah.
Let us walk a bit.
What? I had something else in mind.
Oh, Duccio.
Hold on. What is that?
Imagine nagkaroon ng remake to. Oh my god!
Hey! Lurido porco!
Ezio, my friend! Ah! Ma che ti
Tingnan mo,
piglia!
sinapak.
You insult my sister. Parading around with this putana.
What are you talking about?
I saw the gift you gave her. Or the things you said.
Maybe your sister shouldn't be so stingy with her virtù.
You broke her heart.
Ha! And now I'm going to break your face.
Ah, sure ka? Sure ka, tol?
You Auditore is on
Tingnan mo,
top of me.
sinuntok na kita bigla,
But
oh.
when it comes time for action, ha!
Action?
You'll regret everything
Action!
in your mouth.
I could she's lucky to
Kinukwento
have
na
had
lang kita,
someone
oh.
like me.
Bastardo!
Bastado ka pala eh. Tinuton pa kita, putang ina mo.
Generally, they're
Sige,
made
halika
for
dito.
swinging it.
Halika dito, sabi ko, halika dito eh. Ha? Halika dito, putang ina mo. Sige, sige. Tayo.
Sai, le armi servono a duellare.
Halika dito, halika dito, halika dito. Makulit ka, makulit ka. Makulit ka eh, ha? Makulit kang bata ka eh. Ha? Kulit ka? Kulit ka eh. Putang ina mo. Kulit ka? Kulit ka?
Basta, mi arrendo.
Kulit ka eh.
Stay away from my sister!
Sige, ano? Hindi pa ako tapos sa'yo. Hindi pa ako tapos sa'yo. Ano? Tingin mo tapos na ako sa'yo? Tanga! Papatay na kita. Bobo ka eh. Patay ka na? Nakawan ko lang. 5 pesos? Patay na. Nalang problema si Claudia. Kapatid ko. Kasi yung wave, sa Italy ako, ganito ako. Kulit ka eh. Yabang ka eh. Ano? Subo ka sa pari mo. Never nanampal si Ezio ng babae. Unless mukhang lalaki sa pakin niya, tulad dito. Kulit ka eh.
Ano yung kabit?
Ata. Asa pa yung kabit? O nga, nawala yung kabit niya bigla. At least napahigandi ko si Claudia. Saya na ako. Feeling ko magugustuhan mo tong game na to, babe. Legit. Nakakaramdam ako.
Pressing business. Somewhere else. Yes, I'm sure of it.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Hey, Ezio!
Sino si Petruccio Auditore?
What are you doing out here, Petruccio? You should be in bed.
I want those feathers.
What for?
It's a secret.
If I get them for you, will you go back inside?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, Petruccio, para sa'yo gagawin ko bilang kuya mo. Kasi putang ina mong kapatid ka eh. Dahil gusto. Uy, gago.
Looks rather risky.
What the fuck? Hindi ko in-expect na may enjoy ko to. Ang in-expect ko dito ay parang Assassin's Creed 1 lang. Like, repetitive. Turns out, hindi eh. Sabi rin daw nila ito yung pinakamagandang sequel sa lahat ng laro. Well, hindi naman sa lahat ng laro, pero isa sa pinakamagandang sequel daw. Hindi ko alam bakit palagi yung pangalawa yung pinakamaganda sa lahat. Better sa lahat. Yung mga sequels nila. Meron pa ba? Wala naman ah.
Fresca di giornata!
Here, as promised.
Grazie, brother.
You still haven't told me why you want these.
I will. In time.
Bago ang bait niyang kapatid. Ato si nanay. Si Maria.
Buongiorno, Ezio.
Buongiorno a voi, madre. Come state?
Sto bene. And you? Still recovering from last night?
I have no idea what you're talking
Yung
about.
mukha niya, ito yung
Course
mukha
not.
niya.
Anyway, I have an errand to run. I'd like you to join me.
Con piacere.
Come, it's not far from here. I know about your fight with Vieri.
What fight?
Ang team naman na magulang ni Enzo.
Per piacere.
Ano, babe?
Let's not play this
Ang team
game.
naman na magulang.
He
Ang
spoke
sexy?
ill of us. I could not allow him to continue.
I'm
Chill.
sure he's having a
Parang
hard
tayo.
time dealing with the
Ano ba?
accusations against his
Sabi
father.
niya lapit si nanay ko eh.
Francesco Di Pazzi is many things, and none of them good.
Ah,
But
bawal.
even I never suspected he'd be capable of
Testing na ako.
murder.
Sige.
What happened to him?
I imagine there will be a trial.
Will father speak at it?
He'll have to. He's the one with the evidence.
Still, I wish there was another way.
You've nothing to fear. Everyone wants justice done. It is an unfortunate state of affairs, but it will pass.
Nagnanakaw ba ako bigla? Ay,
Bakit
putang
ka pa?
ina. Sira ulo ka? Wala akong ginagawa sa inyong dalawa. Pinanay ko.
Here we are.
Ano to, mami?
Hello, Leonardo.
Si Leonardo da Vinci!
This is my son, Ezio.
Babe, si Leonardo!
L'onore è mio.
Oo ba?
Let me go and fetch the paintings.
Oh,
I'll be
painting,
right
oh.
back.
Sino ba ang Leonardo kilala ko? Na
He's
painter?
very talented.
Si Da Vinci.
Self-expression is vital to understanding and enjoying life.
Agong pogi ni
You should
Ezio.
find
Wala
an
tayong mukha niya dun.
I have plenty
Oh!
of outlets.
I meant besides vaginas.
Ano?
Mother.
Back to your house then.
Si, si. Ezio, help Leonardo,
Oh.
will you?
Si Da Vinci nga yan.
So Ezio, what do you do?
He's
Oh,
been
hey no,
working
Da
for his
Vinci,
father.
sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Ah, you're to be a banker.
For now. And you? Art, was it?
Truth be told, it's been difficult for me to settle. Painting is nice, but I often feel like my work lacks, I don't know, a purpose. Does that make sense? I'd rather contribute more practically, more directly. Architecture, perhaps, or anatomy. I'm not content merely to capture the world. I want to change it.
Oh, Leonardo. I have no doubt you'll go on to do great things.
Imagine, totoo pala si Ezio talaga. Imagine, tropa niya talaga si tangina babe, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, history! Huwag ka na mag-history class. Maglaro ka lang dito na sa history ka na. Tangina, ang ganda ng game.
Thank you for your help, son. Don't let me keep you from your other duties.
It was nice to meet you, Ezio. I hope our paths cross again.
Anch'io.
Tangina, ang galing. Ano si Christina? Pagod na ako eh. Mamaya na kasi Christina. Makakapaganta yun.
Ezio, come in, son. I need these packages delivered to associates of mine in the city. I also need you to retrieve a message for me from a pigeon coop not too far from here.
Va bene. I'll get it done.
Come back here when you're finished. There are some things we need to discuss. And please, my son, stay out of trouble. Hmm?
Okay, okay. Deliver 2 letters and a third from the pigeon coop for Giovanni and return to him. Yes, papi. I shall return. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Nakuha kita bigla.
Vergogna!
Sorry, nakuha ko bigla.
Mannaggia te!
State attenti. Next week's public mass with the Cardinal will have to be cancelled due to a small outbreak of plague. Pray for his recovery and the confinement of the dread death to the small, unimportant village he was in. Notice to all foreign merchants within the glorious Republic.
Magagabi na. Yari ako kay Daddy. Hindi ko pa na ako may letter ko kay Daddy. Magalit si Daddy.
I have a delivery from...
Giovanni Auditore?
Yes.
Were you followed?
No. Why would I be followed?
Give me the package. Tell your father that they're moving tonight. He should as well.
Who's moving? What's going on here? Wait! Come back! Explain yourself!
Ooh, something's fishy. Slow burn ang nangyayari sa kwento. Thank you, Lord. At hindi agad-agad patayan. Putang na sa Altair, patayan agad kasi nais nun eh. Hindi ka ba sana yung hain, babe? Ha?
Most entertaining.
Notice to all foreign merchants within the glorious Republic's walls. The Città
I've
in
never
its
seen a
wisdom has
stranger
elected to
man,
raise a
truly.
nominal levy on all export grain registered through any of the Arctic...
I've seen him before.
Bizarre. What's with him?
You Giovanni's kid?
No, idiota. He just happens to look exactly like the man.
Give it here. Don't worry, boy. We're not contagious. Least I'm not.
Per Dio!
It's a feast! Stop it! That faithless husband of mine is cheating. I know it. As do all the neighbors. Please teach him a lesson for me.
You know, mamubugbog na naman ako ng ano, ng loloko. Okay, bugbogan na ulit.
Have I seen that? Haven't I seen you before?
Alla ce la fai, o scempio!
is this?
Donato! She wins! I give up! That bitch! I mean, wonderful wife of mine! I'll go home!
Hindi ka na uwi, papatay na kita ngayon pa lang eh. Sinabi ka bang uwi ka? Hindi pa tapos sa'yo! Hindi ka pa uuwi ng buhay.
Abata! Forza, bravo! Let me go!
Shame, shame!
Shame!
Andito pa rin yung pagiging clumsy nila.
Stop it!
Let my experience garnish you with the finest style available.
Father? Federico!
Serezio! I'm sorry, I'm so sorry.
What happened? Where is everyone?
They took your father and brothers to the Palazzo della Signoria, to prison.
And my mother? My sister?
Ezio.
Claudia? Are you alright?
Yes, but Mother... She's in shock. When she resisted...
It's not safe here. Is there some place you can take them?
Yes, to my sisters.
Good, do that. In the meantime, I'll go see my father.
Be careful, Messer Ezio. The guards were looking for you as well.
Gago, gabi na, gabi na. I mean, gabi naman na talaga eh.
Babe, may send ako sa'yo. Bumabalik. Gusto. Ganda.
Sige. Oo nga, no? Yun yung nakita ko palagi sa mga ano eh. Sa mga appliance store, Benson, SM Store, yung mga TV. Tapos pag binili mo, hindi ganun yung TV.
Ang ganda, tahel.
Sobrang linaw eh, no?
Village he was in.
Yes.
Notice to all foreign merchants within the glorious Republic's walls. The Chita, in its wisdom, has elected...
Ay, bobo. Ezio lang.
Most entertaining.
Saan ako pupunta?
Yan ni Klein. Nag-favorite si Klein sa video mo. Tangina mo, Klein. Okay. Tangina mo, Klein.
Stati attenti!
I'll just get out of your way, shall I?
You're not supposed to be here. Go! Get down!
Tangi si Klein, na-add niya sa favorites. Nakita ko. Lumabas, in-add niya sa favorites yung lumang-lumang post ko na yun.
It's worth worrying.
Ano pa yun?
Let you! Get it!
Ay, bobo! 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 Patay!
Balo na.
Babe! Wait lang, tapos sila yung mission. Tapos sila ba?
Hindi ko alam, inaaral ko ngayon eh. Alam mo, hindi lang naawa sa dito. Then, yung aral ko, hindi nag-work.
Ano na?
Yung aral ko po, hindi nag-work talaga dun.
Notice to all foreign merchants within the glorious Republic's walls. The Chita, in its wisdom, has elected to
Where do you think he's from? Napoli?
Please, be careful.
Down or die! Get down, Strongso!
Shift change anyway.
You should let you! There! There! Let me go!
Okay, I let you go.
Ezio. Father, what's happened?
Took a bit of a beating, but I'm all right. What of your mother and sister?
Safe now.
Annetta took them.
Yes. Wait. You knew this would happen?
Not the way it did, and not this soon. Doesn't matter now.
What do you mean? Explain!
There's no time. Listen closely. Return to the house. In my office is a hidden door. Use your talent to find it. Beyond lies a chest. Take everything you find inside. Much of it may seem strange to you, but all of it is important. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. Among the contents is a letter, and with it some documents. I need you to take these documents to Mr. Roberto. He was with me in the office this morning.
The Gonfaloniere, I remember. Now please, tell me what's happening. Are the Pazzi behind this? There was a note for you at the pigeon. It said go, Ezio. Go now.
Oh shit.
Why are you up here? Leave!
Man, shut the fuck up.
There! Eccolo! Get him!
Hanggang hindi ka pa natataranta? Yung magulang ko nakakulong na. Babe, nakakulong na magulang ko. Tapos maliban dun, may pinapako sa akin si daddy.
Please move it before the evening procession of Santa Croce gets underway. There will be a fine if not.
Nawawala yung pants na binigay sa akin ni Mama kasi hindi ko mahanap sa mga damitan ko.
Wala na. Wala na yun. Sayang.
Don't make me feel bad.
Ayan na, sabihin naman niya, yan. Sabihin naman niya, babe. Huwag mo feel bad.
Mother said there was a door here.
Teka, before tayo mag-check.
Parang gusto ko mag-black hair ulit.
Babe, wag na, babe. Tangina, babe, ano ba nangyayari? Ha? Kausapin mo ako. Ganyan ba yung nangyayari madalas?
I need something weird by mo.
Tignan mo. Ito na. Tignan mo mangyari. Tignan mo, babe. Ito na. Tignan mo! Ayan na, ito na. Tignan mo lang. Bahala ka, ayaw mong tignan.
Let me bring this to Messer Roberto.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Tignan mo. I am an assassin.
Bakit nga, ano nangyari? Nawala na ako saglit yung assassin na bigla si Ezio.
Yung magulang ata ni Ezio, dating assassin. Ayun na.
Hey! What's with the swords? Aren't you supposed to arrest me?
No.
What do you want then?
On him!
For you to die!
Oh my god!
That's not going to happen. So why don't we explore other options?
There are no other options.
Gago.
Baka gusto mo maglaro kasama ako at hindi pa kinaan.
Ano, babe?
Baka gusto mo maglaro.
Ano na?
Baka gusto mo maglaro.
Sisave ko lang, tatapusin ko lang to mission. Naging assassin ako bigla.
Milano has nothing on me. I have the sharpest blow.
There! Get him! Faster!
I see him! There! Ah, that will do for him.
Madness must get out of here.
Ezio Auditore? What are you doing here at this hour?
I don't...
Wait, child. Take a breath. Collect your thoughts.
My father and brothers have been imprisoned. I was told to bring you this.
Ah. I see now. It's a misunderstanding, Ezio. I'll clear everything up.
How?
The documents you've given me contain evidence of a conspiracy against your family and against the city. I'll present these papers at their hearing in the morning, and they'll be released.
Thank you, Signore.
Of course, my child. Do you need a place to stay? You're more than welcome here.
No, grazie. I'll meet you at the piazza.
Don't worry, Ezio. Everything is going to be fine.
My recent good fortune finding new suppliers has paid off, and I pass the savings on to you.
We're hoping most days you change your mind.
The tall one is somehow familiar.
Just let me go!
Mamma mia! Get out of here!
Another time, then.
Nakawala na naman yung takbo na po.
Nakawala yung ano?
Perhaps later. Ciao.
Tapos ko lang yung mission.
Whatever is on his mind, it must be important.
Shall hereby be taxed an extra 100 pounds on all foreign transactions. This will aid in the maintenance of the Republic's armory and road patrols. Good people of Firenze.
Oh no, babe, oh no!
Giovanni Auditore!
You and your accomplices stand accused of the crime of treason. Have you any evidence to counter this charge?
Yes, the documents that were delivered to you last night.
I'm afraid I know nothing of these documents.
He's lying!
Need to get closer.
In the absence of any compelling evidence to the contrary, I am bound to pronounce you guilty. You and your collaborators are hereby sentenced to death.
You are the traitor, Roberto, and one of them. You may take our lives this day, but we will have yours in return, I swear! We will!
Holy shit.
There! Grab the boy! He's one of them!
I'll kill you for what you've done!
Guards! Arrest him!
Abatete.
Better run, boy. And fast.
Get here! Where do you think you're going?
Oh shit. Ezio, what the fuck?
Right here. See what you find. You won't escape! You almost get away!
Tapos ganito ang cutscene, tas okay na.
I've got a little request for you. I've identified several strange markings that I've discovered right across Renaissance Italy. Now, I don't know what they're doing there, but I want you to help me find out. Rebecca has marked their general location in the database with an eye icon, and she's made them glow as well. Keep an eye out.
Ser Ezio, thank God. I've been looking everywhere for you.
I couldn't stop them, Annetta. I tried, I swear. But there were so many guards.
Please, come with me. We need to get you off the streets.
What of my mother and sister?
They're safe. I'll bring you to them.
No. It's too dangerous for us to travel together. Tell me where to go and I'll meet you there.
My sister's house. Just north of the Duomo.
I'm on my way.
Nasa kabila account kasi ako, Dad, kanina. Dad, wala. Hindi ko na talaga nakita kasi may ginagawa ako.